Alright guys, we're gonna do another unboxing. Let's see if we can open this up and see what's inside. I got 3 boxes. I'm not gonna do all 3 of them. But I'm gonna do, one box at a time. It depends on how much is in the box. Paper. More paper. There's not much in the box. Oh well. Maybe we can do another one. Okay. Disappointing. You know what? We're gonna do this first and see what this is going. So I'm gonna try to open this up. Gonna do this with one hand. Yeah, well, pretty much. Okay, let's put it in here. All right. That's disappointing. It's not bag and boarded. It's just, oh well. It's random. So let's start with the Batman's Detective Comics. Yeah. Okay. Did that back this? Probably maybe a little bit missing of, the X-Men that I really wanted to read. Connie X-Men. You know what? It's a little bit messy. Let's see what the art is inside. Who's this? Ron Garney. Well, Ron Garney is pretty good. Hats. Maybe do a couple of these X-Men. I mean, you cannot beat the classic X-Men, but it's not all bad and terrible. Maybe. Okay, this looks great. It looks pretty fun. All right. Yeah, I believe this is more like an add-on for the comics that I was missing. I was more interested in this cover. Is it Aaron or Presti? Let me check. I believe this is art. Yeah, and I follow Aaron on X. His art is pretty good. He's doing some fun work, on Indiegogo. So yeah, I wanted to check his work out. There's a lot of Uncanny X-Men. Is this Sean? Yeah, this is Sean, right? This is Banshee. Is he a bad guy now? He could be a very cool bad guy. I'm not feeling this so far, but I'm gonna look into this. We got more X-Men. There's a lot of X-Men, guys. So let's go through the covers. Still with the same team. Got me also Teen Titans. And let me put this away. Got a lot of mess in here. Yeah, this is more my jam. George Perez and Marv Wolfman. You can never go wrong with these guys. These guys bring it. Yeah. They bring a lot of kinetic energy, a lot of excitement to these books. Really, really like it. All right. More Titans. This is Tales of the Teen Titans. So I was a little confused. I mean, there was the Teen Titans, the New Teen Titans, and the Tales of the Teen Titans. And I'm not sure if it's all connected or this is just, different kind of books, or that it flows over. I mean, look at this. George Perez. Like I said, you cannot go wrong with this guy. Classic classic Terminator. Really like that. This is what Jesus, what I'm sorry for the messy so this is with Tara when she was still alive, and well, spoiler, she betrays this is the part that she betrays them. She's pretty powerful. She's the daughter, the little sister of Geoforce from Batman and the Outsiders. Yeah. All right, let's leave it here. Also got me a couple of missing X factors. You know what? I'm just doing the all the X's with each other, right? It's probably the best. And also the Batman and the Detective comics. Gonna put that away. But first, I got a X-Men Executioner song with Cable. Oh, this is with Art Adams. Brandon Peterson. Oh, okay. I'm not sure what Brandon Peterson is doing now. But his art is phenomenal. Brings a lot of new excitement. Pretty good. Yeah, let's leave it that. I got another Uncanny X-Men here with Storm. Then I got the X-Factor. More X-Factor. I mean, this rendition of X-Factor was pretty fun. Maybe I should look into these older the other X-Factors. I got a couple of them with a cool story. Art was fun too. Look at the hair of Polaris. Yeah, they made Maura McTaggart a mutant. I don't know, man. Why are they always do that, you know? Oh, we have a character here. Yeah, let's make her interesting by giving her powers. No, that's not how you make a character interesting, morons. It's not how you do it. Got me, what's this? A Wolverine? With John Romita Jr.? Oh, it was like, I mean, he's doing now Spider-Man, but Spider-Man with Zeb Wells is a travesty. Oh man, they made Spider-Man a cuck. Anyway, but his art was, in my opinion, way better in his earlier days. I think he's just phoning it in now. Personal opinions, of course. His old work still looks great. Look at this. Pretty nice. Anyway. Agent of S.H.I.E.L.D. I'm doing this Enemy of the State. I thought this was a really good, fun book. Damn, these are ads. Come on. Really? Yeah. Okay. More Wolverine. And I did all the Batman. No, I got a couple. No. I got me against Daredevil, also with Romita Jr. and Mark Millar, and more Enemy of the State with Elektra. Also got me Batman 0 Hour. I love the 0 Hours. Look at this Batmobile. This is by Graham Nolan. Nice. And Chuck Dixon as the writer. Cannot go wrong with these guys, man. You cannot go wrong. More ads. Look at this cool automobile. Is this a one-shot? Let me double check before I reveal everything. No? Well, yeah. I can do this. Okay, let's see if this is actually interesting. And last but not least, it got me a couple of Catwomans from Jim Ballant. Probably impossible to get me everything. I got issue number 1, but everything after that is pretty impossible. Well, this is not Jim Ballant, right? Or is it? Yeah, this is it. Probably his best work, in my opinion. I know he's doing his own erotic tarot book, but you know, it's that. He's independent. He's doing his thing, and I'm complimenting for that, doing that. But still, I miss his older work, right? You know, this Catwoman works really good. Anyway, that's all I got for today, guys. Let me know in the comments what you think about this. Short, punchy. Well, not punchy, but it's a short unboxing. But more is coming, guys. See you in the next. Wait a minute. No. I have more. How can I miss this? Oh my God, I'm such a sucker. Forgive me, guys. Wait, I got more. Yeah. All right, I got me a Vigilante. I'm collecting these because I want to know about these obscure characters. See if it's actually good or fun. It looks like the Time Trapper, but it's probably not the Time Trapper. Oh no, it's a woman, right? A mysterious woman. Okay, I'm gonna leave it here before things are getting. What's this? What's with the haircut, dude? All right. What do we have more? I got me a Reign of Superman with Steel. Doc. It's not Doc Monk. Steel is a cool character. I like him. Although he has no superpowers at all, you know, he's more like a, you know, like a inventor. Yeah. Like, got me also this one with Doomsday and fake Superman, you know, like Cyborg Superman. What is all with these ads, man? I like, you know what I like? A henchman. I'm planning to do a superhero comic if my, well, the comic that I'm making now is going to be successful. And after that, if it all goes well, I'm going to do a book with henchmen. That would be so fun. Look at this. Yeah. What does he do? Does he throw him into space or something? What does he do? Oh yeah, he's faking it. Right, yeah, I forgot. Right. And I got me another Superman. Faster than a speeding bullet. Nice double page. What? Doomsday? Wait. Or was it all a dream? Okay. Well, I got a lot of Superman comics and no need to show you. But I'm very delighted for myself that I'm having some Nightman comics from Ultraverse. You know, all these obscure characters, I'm going to collect them. I'm going to read them. And, you know, see if it's actually good. So is this a Joker-esque guy or a jester? It's more interesting than I thought it would be. Oh, it's not that great, to be honest, in this one. So, but hey, more Nightman. This feels thicker. Jones. Not Kelly Jones, presumably. Number 18. And last, but not least, number 19. All right, so we have a showdown between Nightman and this guy, whoever he is. Cool explosions. Yeah. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. And yeah, bye-bye.